There are main components of the environment. So what are the main components of the environment? We will see in this lesson. First one, the solid portion of the earth on which we live is called lithosphere. So what is the lithosphere? Lithosphere is a part, it is a solid part. Solid means it's a uh, very hard rocks we can find on the lithosphere, and this lithosphere is a very solid part. It is a surface of the earth. Okay, that is called as a lithosphere. Second one is atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The gaseous layers that surrounded the earth is called atmosphere. So what is atmosphere? The gaseous layers. So we can see many gaseous layers in this atmosphere. So what are the gaseous, like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and many other gases also we can see on this layer. So that's what this layer is called as a gaseous layers. The water covered by very large area of the earth's surface is called hydrosphere. So what is the hydrosphere? The water bodies which are covered by the water bodies is called as a hydrosphere. Hydrospheres. So what already we discussed that the layers, the water bodies which are the water bodies which are covered on the earth is called as a hydrosphere. So where we can see this hydrosphere means where we can see the water areas on oceans, seas, bays, gulfs. These are the four bodies which are covered by the hydrosphere. Some facts about the continents. You see some of the facts we can see about the continents. Asia and Europe is separated by Ural mountains and Ural rivers, that's called Eurasia. So what is the separating for Asia and Europe? The Ural mountains are separating Asia from Europe. Second one, Africa is separated from Asia by Suez Canal. So what is separating Africa and Asia? Suez Canal is separating Africa and Asia. North America is separated from South America by Panama Canal. So which canal is separating North America and South America? The Panama Canal is separating North America and South America. Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. It is also called island continent. What is the smallest continent on the earth? Australia is the smallest continent on the earth. It is also called as island continent. The total of area the Australia is covered by the water, surrounded by water. That's what it is also called as island continent. Antarctica is discovered in 1921. In which year? Antarctica is discovered in the 1921. It is always covered by snow and ice. So what is in which year Australia is discovered? The Australia is discovered in the year 1921. It is always covered by snow and ice. What it is covered? It is always covered by the snow and ice. Also we can see here 6 months daytime and 6 months nighttime we can see in this Antarctica continent. India has discovered this continent in 1982. In which year India is discovered? India has discovered the Antarctica continent in the year 1922. Now we will see some of the highlights of the lithosphere. So what are the highlights of the lithosphere? At highlights of land masses is measured from sea level. So how we measure the land masses? We measure the land masses depends on the sea level. So mean sea level. What is MSL? Mean sea level. So all oceans of the world are connected with one another, so the level of seawater remains the same everywhere. So these What are the largest water bodies? Oceans are called as the largest water bodies. So these oceans are connected one another, these oceans are connected. So that's what the water levels of the seas everywhere is same of the depth. Major land masses are called continents. What are the major land masses? The major land masses are called as continents. The small land masses are called as islands. They are surrounded by water on all sides. The islands are the surrounded by all sides of water. Suppose Great Britain is one of the island, and Australia it is also one of the island. In India we can see that Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep. These are the islands which we can see in Indian subcontinent. Major domains of the earth. We will see that what are the major domains of the earth. Lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithos plus sphere is called as a lithosphere. Lithos means stone. What is meaning by lithos? Lithos means stone. Sphere means surface. Which part we are living? We are living on the surface of the earth. Sphere means surface. Lithos means stone. Lithosphere totally. The outer covering or crust of the earth is called lithosphere. Our earth is divided into mantle, crust, and our earth is divided into many parts like core, mantle, crust. Components of air. So what are the air components of the air? Already we discussed that atmosphere. In the atmosphere, this atmosphere is the gaseous layers. We can see that gaseous layers is called as a atmosphere. So what is the gaseous layers, and how much these gases are occupied in a air? Nitrogen occupied a much amount of ratio. How much amount of ratio it is occupied in the air? It occupied 78% of 78 percentage, and oxygen is occupied in a air is 21%. We can see air. Other gases are 0.1%. Like other gases means carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases also we can see zinc. Atmosphere. A column of air surrounds the earth up to the height of 1600 kilometers above the earth's surface is called atmosphere. What is atmosphere? It is surrounded by the earth up to the earth, the height of 1600 kilometers above the earth's surface is called as a atmosphere. Here continents. What are the continents? Area wise we can see that which is the highest continent. Asia is the highest continent. Next one, Africa is second highest continent. Next one, third highest continent is North America. Fourth highest continent South America, and fifth one Antarctica. Sixth Europe. Seventh one Australia. Australia is the smallest continent. Asia is the biggest continent. And also Africa is also called as a dark continent. Oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans are there, but here they mentioned only 4 oceans. First one is Pacific Ocean. It is the largest ocean in the world, and Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Next one is fifth one is Southern Ocean. And only the country name Indian Ocean is the name of the country name, like India. Components of environment. What are the components of the environment? There are 3 components of environment. First one is lithosphere. It is a solid portion of the earth's surface. And atmosphere. It is a gaseous layer. Third one, hydrosphere, water areas. Why we study regarding lithosphere? why we want to study about lithosphere and what is the use of to studying about this lithosphere means, if you study about the lithosphere, we would going to learn about to know about indispensable of growth of planets, how these planets are growing and what are the planets are there. Already we know that there are 8 planets are surrounded on our galaxy, our solar system. And to know about sources of minerals and mineral resources and metals, which are which areas these minerals and metals are available. This also we can know about to studying about the lithosphere. To know about various landforms of economic factors and human needs. So we are establishing in a present in this technology period, we are establishing many of the factories. These factories also in which areas these factories need to establish, and what are the areas are suitable for establish different factories. These all are we can know about to study only the lithosphere. Lithosphere includes what are included in the lithosphere. All land masses are included in the lithosphere. High mountains, deep valleys, plateaus, and plains all are included in this lithosphere area.